रूल नंबर 7, इट का यूज इम्पर्सनल ओपिनियन देने में इस तरह भी किया जाता है, लाइक इट इज वाइटल दैट मोर इज डन टू प्रिवेंट द इलीगल ट्रेड इन वाइल्ड एनिमल. इट इज क्लियर दैट मोर नीड टू बी डन टू क्रिएट जॉब्स. इट इज अनफॉर्चुनेट दैट द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ कीपिंग monkey as pets still continues. It is difficult for many people to get rid of the addiction of social media. Unfortunately, it would seem that not enough is being done to root out corruption in India. Multiple pronoun. जब एक ही सेंटेंस में 3 प्रोनाउन यूज हों तब उनका क्रम इस प्रकार रहता है. You, he and I should take this financial burden. Second person, third person, first person. Note: जब सेंटेंस में गलती एक्सेप्ट करते हैं तब प्रोनाउन का क्रम इस प्रकार रहता है. I, you and he have to make amends. First, second, third person. You and he have to compensate for the loss. Second, third person. I and you are to be blamed for this failure. First and second person. Rule number 1, you and I का यूज सेंटेंस के सब्जेक्ट के रूप में होता है, इसीलिए प्लूरल प्रोनाउंस we, us, our, ours, ourselves का यूज होता है. Example: you and I must contribute with all our resources. You and I should not do anything to hurt ourselves. Rule number 2, you and he का यूज सेंटेंस के सब्जेक्ट के रूप में हो तो इसके लिए प्लूरल प्रोनाउन you, your, yours, yourself, yourselves का यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू एंड ही हैव नॉट सबमिटेड योर रिपोर्ट्स येट. यू एंड ही योरसेल्फ डू नॉट अबाइड बाय द रूल्स. रूल नंबर 3, ही एंड आई का यूज सेंटेंस के सब्जेक्ट के रूप में हो तो इसके लिए प्लूरल प्रोनाउन वी, अस, आर, आर्स, ourselves का यूज होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, he and I take ourselves too seriously. He and I must be responsible for our work. Possessive pronoun: Rashmi take pride in Rashmi's outfits. Second time Rashmi's लिखने की जगह सही कंस्ट्रक्शन होगा Rashmi takes pride in her outfits. Her is a possessive adjective because hers are beautiful dresses. Hers is a possessive pronoun. Some more examples: This is my hat, not your hat. Repetition of hat: This hat is mine, not yours. Possessive pronoun: yours make it clear. I didn't have my book, so Rashmi lent me her book. Repetition of book: I didn't have my book, so Rashmi lent me hers. Possessive pronoun hers make it clear. Your car is a lot faster than my car. Repetition of car: your car is a lot faster than mine. Possessive pronoun mine makes it clear. Difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Possessive adjective plus noun: my phone, your gun, this is her book, this is our country, their house. Possessive pronoun plus no noun: the phone is mine, the gun is yours, the book is hers, this country is ours, the house is theirs. His का यूज possessive adjective and possessive pronoun दोनों में सेम होता है. It का यूज सिर्फ possessive adjective के रूप में होता है. Rule number 1, possessive pronoun का यूज noun के पहले नहीं होता. Like, our country is democratic. Incorrect. Ours is a democratic country or our country is democratic. Correct. Mine passport is missing. Incorrect. The missing passport is mine or my passport is missing. Correct. Hers phone is on vibration. Incorrect. The phone on vibration is hers or her phone is on vibration. Correct. रूल नंबर 2, पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन का यूज किसी सेंटेंस के वर्ब के सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट दोनों के रूप में होता है. लाइक, माइन इज द सिल्वर कार, द कन्वर्टेबल, used as a subject. My hair is very fine, yours is much thicker. Could I borrow a pen? I have lost mine, used as an object. Other people's children always seems to be better behaved than yours, used as an object. Your son is the same age as mine, both as a subject and object. Rule number 3, possessive pronoun का use prepositions के object के रूप में होता है. Like, their house is very similar to ours. The house next to ours was struck by a bolt of lightning. The Mehtas had the same suitcase as us and we accidentally picked up theirs. Rule number 4, कुछ nouns जैसे separation, leave, excuse, mention, report, pardon, cite, favor के साथ possessive case का use नहीं होता है. Like, his mention is enough to disturb us. Incorrect. The mention of him is enough to disturb us. Correct. I can't tolerate even his sight. Incorrect. I can't tolerate even the sight of him. Correct.